guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to try out something a little new. This game is called IMVU, or some people would like to call it IMVU. It's a virtual 3D game, whatever you want to call it. And today I'm just going to be teaching you guys how to make a child avatar. Now, this is my account. Some of you may know me. This is my avatar. And I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a child avatar like this one. And I really don't care about posting. I just post on here. Other people take this very seriously, like it's Instagram. But we're going to be making you look adorable, just like this avatar that I have. So the very first thing you want to do is go shopping. Now, I'm not going to lie to you guys. It's much easier when you make an avatar on PC. And the reason that I say that is because on PC, you get to see the pictures of everything. There's little gifts and you really get to see what you're about to try on. And most of the time it has the information on the picture. For example, if you're trying on a combo scaler, it has like the scaler, the scale numbers on there. That's what I was trying to say. So let's just hop straight in. So very first thing you want to do is obviously, so we're going to type 40 scalar and that's the size it gives us. So we're small because that's average height for most kids on IMVU. Now, next we want to go to avatars. So you can type kids, you can leave it blank. You can use, like, you can type 40 kids, avatar 40%, and it'll pop up an avatar. So that way when you sit on couches and stuff, you won't sink in. You'll be sitting on it. Or you can find an adult pose that looks appropriate, like this one. Hold on, where did it go? This one looks like a child's pose. Okay, so this one looks a little innocent. Next thing we're going to do is go to women. We're going to go to body and then we're going to go to heads. So in heads, there's a lot of kid avatar creators. You can search kids, or if you're looking for a specific creator, go to creator. And my favorite creator is Nori. Now there's another creator that I normally use, but I forgot her name, and she really makes great heads, and her heads go perfect with Nori's skin. But she always changed her name, so I really can't find her right now. So Nori is really known for her skins, and she's like one of the top child creators. I'll give that to her. Her heads are expensive, but they're worth it. I don't think they're that expensive. Like, I would make my heads the same price too. Like, she put a lot of hard work in it. So, I'm not gonna lie to you, the heads look horrific on mobile. But that's only because we're on mobile. That's alright though, because on PC it looks great. Okay, so the head is on now. Next thing we want to do is go to skins. Now you can change the creator if you want to, but like I said, I love her skins. She's known for her skins. So we're going to search Nori skins. I personally like this one. This is not my go-to skin. I don't know. I own like most of her skins already. So there's really a lot to choose from. So the skins that have like the shiny little, you see how her lips are shiny? I love those. Those really make the kid head pop. Like with any head, it makes it pop. Okay, now we're going to go to eyes, but we're going to reset. You don't have to use Nori's eyes. You can use anyone's eyes on this game. To be honest, all you have to type is kids, and they have like lots of kid eyes. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, the trending eyes that I always see are the black eyes for children with the little sparkles in it. So like this one. So see, like this one. So next thing we're going to go to is eyebrows. So we're going to click eyebrows, and then we're going to click no eyebrows because we don't want eyebrows. If it's not popping up for you, just search no eyebrows. So now you have no eyebrows. And normally you would go to eyebrows and you would search kids. But to be honest with you, most of the eyebrows, the kid eyebrows, don't work on certain heads, and sometimes they're ugly. So we're going to go to accessories, and then we're going to type eyebrows. So once we do that, we're just going to find some good eyebrows that look like they would be on a child. So like these right here, kind of bold though. So these are kind of straight, but they don't look too grown for her, which is great. So that's when we're going to go to accessories, and then we're going to choose a creator. We're going to click Nori, apply. So she has custom baby shape. She has all these shapes, teen shapes, and you're just going to pick one which, expensive, but worth it. Okay, so now you're in that baby shape that you want to be in. And then we're going to just reset this. So next thing is our kid ears. So you do not have to do this if you're on a budget, if you don't have money, and you do not have to do the kid shape either if you're starting. So don't do the kid shape if you're new to IMVU. Don't do the kid ears if you're new to IMVU. The reason why I say that is because you don't have enough money for it unless you're buying credits. Okay, so next thing we want to look for is hair. So you can really put any hair on a child, just nothing too wild. But today we're going to try something like this. So this is cute on her. Now we want to find some clothes for her. So we're going to go to all clothing. So, when you search kids clothing, it's I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Some most is like the most ugliest clothing, and you really just have to find the right creator. There's a lot of creators out there. I can't think of them right now, but I'll drop them down below in the description. Now this is cute. We're gonna type puppy because she has a lot of cute clothes. Okay, so normally her clothes are in order normally, and everything it should normally be in order, but right now we're on mobile. You gotta remember we're on mobile, so everything is not in order, which just sucks. So, but these are her clothing items, whatever you want to call it. She has so many cute clothes for children. She has like nice shoes. So we're gonna put some jellies on her. These really don't match, and I really do not like these, but who cares? So next we're gonna go to accessories, and she has nice accessories for children. If you want to be a toddler, you can put a pacifier on. But what I'm really looking for is earrings. She has a pacifier in her mouth, which she doesn't look like she could be that age. But certain people like role playing that age, and I'm gonna find her some earrings. So I'm gonna reset that, apply, and type earrings. My favorite earrings are these. It might not pop up. Hold on. Okay, so they did pop up. These are the go-to earrings. Everybody owns these. I'm pretty sure this creator is making bank off of these earrings. These earrings are super adorable. Now, she looks big, but that's because I'm zoomed in, but she's really small compared to an adult or anyone else. And this is what you'll have. These are going to be your ending results. I changed her hair, which looks a little adultish, but this is how you create a child avatar on IMVU. Here's another kid hairstyle. There's lots of hairstyles to choose from, and there's also lots of avatars to choose from. Like I told you guys, if you want to be a 40% scaler, like I said, so you can sink in couches and stuff, that might be best for you. I type 49. That might be best for you. And you could also go to accessories, type kids nails. And these are your ending results. This is how your avatar will look towards the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped a lot of you. And please subscribe, share, and comment down below if you want me to do this same video but on boy avatars. And just like this video. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it.